What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another product line review. The last review I did a full one of is the Curl Essence line. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check it out because that line is the truth. But today's video is going to be the Pantene Gold Series line review, and I'm going to just let you guys know this line is the truth as well. So if you came here to get more detail of each of these products and how they perform on type 4 hair, stay tuned to this video. I'll have to kind of give you guys a little brief story of how I led to get the full line of this. So basically, initially, I seen this line on IMovie's Instagram. And she basically said that she was in the lab and they were doing the test with the hot air balloon and all that. I didn't get the heat protectant, FYI. So this video will not be reviewing that, unfortunately. But I seen that video and I was like really impressed. So I went right away, like within a week or two, and I purchased their leave-in detangling milk, which is here. And I also purchased the intense hydrating oil. So this was my first purchase of this, and I have a love-hate relationship with it leave-in detangling milk because I do have fine hair, and I feel this works drastically for fine hair, but I feel you have to work in small sections to be able, well, for my hair at least. It may be the same for yours if you have fine, high-density hair, but I have to work in sections to be able to get the benefit of this drastically. I can't just slap this on like my whole head. That's not gonna work, not for no leave-in really. But I used the leave-in detangling milk and it felt amazing the first time I used it, and then I used this on top of it and it felt even more amazing, and I was like, yes, we got a gold staple here. But I never like had intent of purchasing the full line until I started to see more and more videos from IMovie. And yeah, she kind of going to my pockets. But I decided to next purchase something I seen her use, which is the hydrating buttercream. This is the Miracle Cream formula that softens hair and tames frizz. And this is like, I feel a cream. Like, it's a cream, like what you would use in the lock method or LCO method, or just anything underneath a wash and go. It's really thick in consistency. I'm not going to waste any product showing you guys, but it's very thick in consistency. I actually used it to moisturize my hair before braids, before I took it down 24 hours. Under 24 hours less than what I installed it, which I'll make a story time video if you guys want that. Drop down in the comment section if you want to hear that. Why I did it, like what's going through my crazy mind. But I used it for that, and the slip is amazing on that. So if you're looking for something with slip and this moisturizing, this line got you. So this is all within the 5 to 6 month span of me purchasing those three that I just mentioned. Then out the blue, she posted another video and she showcased the whole line, right? And she like showed the hair snapshot of how moisturized it was, and like her able to like basically run her fingers through her hair. And I want any product that's about that life, any product that gives me an immense amount of slip, any product that helps with detangling when you're shampooing, conditioning is in my book the holy grail of a hair product. Like, it's not a lot of shampoos that you can shampoo and condition and your hair feel like butter, and then their whole line after that is like good. It's not a lot of products like that, a lot of product lines. So, of course, your girl had to go to, I think it was Dollar General. I think it was Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree and I purchased these two products. And it was a funny story behind that. My fiance told me that Dollar Tree had a lot of multicultural hair products. And I basically busted them because the only products that were there were like stuff that wasn't even like on hot in the streets of natural hair like at all. So I was kind of like disappointed, but I seen this and I was like, hey, why not? Water just splashed on me from this being in the shower, and I try to play it off. I was like, hey, why not? You know, the rest of their products been good. Might as well try it, right? So I tried the shampoo. Oh, it's water sleeping through on a conditioner too. Okay, so I tried the shampoo, you guys, and instantly my hair didn't feel stripped. Like, I'm really shocked. Like, I cannot fathom the fact that this shampoo, I put it on and it didn't strip my hair. Like, my hair does not like shampoo at all. It don't matter if it's sulfate free, because that's all I use really. Sulfate free, BPA free. I am not even making sense. Just know that this shampoo is the truth. And if you struggle with dryness like me of using shampoos, then you definitely want to get this, or you want to get the Cara Curl Essence shampoo. Those two are literally my top favorite shampoos. I'll be making a video of that soon, by the way, my favorite shampoos. But yeah, you want to purchase this. And then I followed up with the conditioner. And the conditioner maintained that same moisture. And it actually felt more moisturized. It like was a little boost. But a big quote on here that it says is moisturizes and detangles hair for instant softness and strength after one wash. Now, I'm not sure about the strength part, because I don't know how it would be to tell based on one use of the strength. I can't speak on that, but everything else I experienced firsthand. As soon as I put it on, I can finger detangle easily. I don't even need a comb or brush. None of that. I definitely recommend this line. I'm pretty sure the blowout product, the blow dry product that's heat protectant, I'm pretty sure that's the truth as well. This whole line is the truth. You could tell these were made by Black women that have our type of hair, because baby, this whole line is the truth. It's a hit. It's a hit. It's not a miss. You need to go purchase this today. Today. No wait. I'm gonna start doing ranking of videos of hair product lines and products. I'm gonna say if you need to purchase it today, or if you can hold off on it. You need this today. Like literally today, before your next wash day, you need this whole line. This is gonna set you up for the best. My hair did feel like awesome after that. My styling process was super duper quick. And you know, like low porosity, when you get out the shower and your hair sitting and dry up quick. No, my hair didn't dry up quick with this. And even when it did, in certain areas, I sprayed it with water. Didn't even need warm water, just any water. And it got it back soft. It got back moisturized. Like, it was never not moisturized. It's like you kind of just add water to help with the slip. That's really what water is really for. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because your girl drops natural hair videos very, very, very frequently. And I will be posting every week. Sometimes you may get once a week, at minimum once a week, but you may get more. Hint, hint. You may be getting more. So yeah, make sure you have on those post notifications so you're notified every single time I post a video. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.